Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Hellsborough, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So for today's video, I have a little unboxing. The top is really ugly, so that's why I'm holding it like this. Oh my god. Do we have another great deal in here? Sorry, I'm like really excited because I almost feel like it's illegal to say this. There is a new season bag that was over 50% off. What? Just saying. I got this stuff from LNCC. Before Telfar was like really in Europe, they were one of the Telfar retailers. And now, you know, Telfar just exists on his own in Europe, but I still like the store because they have some pretty cool stuff. They have a lot of weirder things. They're based out of the UK, but if you live in Europe, they have a deal, like they have a treaty where, or they have a, I don't know what it's called. They have like a deal where like the customs and duties are included in there, and honestly the prices are still like on par as far as euros as if they were in Europe and not like the UK. I don't know, let's just dig in, right? That's what you guys are here for. I still can't find my little Supreme box cutter, so I'm just gonna be using this dangerous knife for a while until I find it. I didn't almost cut myself. Okay. I think it's open. Okay, so I got quite a few things. I actually don't remember what I got. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down so I can pick this box up. Okay, so first up is... No, I don't know what this is. Why is it like this velvet box? What is this? Oh cool, it has like a little pin, and you just... And then I guess it opens. Oh my god, don't think I'm a freak, but so it's a it's a Christmas ornament. I like buying Christmas ornaments, and like, you know, you see some from like luxury brands and stuff and they're cute and whatever. I haven't necessarily been super drawn to any of them. I mean, there were the like Loewe glass ones, but like I don't know if they were gifts for like VIP clients or whatever. Anyways, I wanted to get one. This was on sale. I think it was like 50% off or something like that. I think the brand is like More Joy. It's from Christopher Kane and his sister. They have this brand, and it's just a bunch of stuff with like the words More Joy, something else. I think there's one other, and then sex. So I got an ornament from a brand by Christopher Kane that just says sex on it. I think it's hilarious. I mean, the Christmas tree's already down, but like, come on, this is great. I'm so excited to use this next year. This is so stupid.
The appendix was most likely burst due to pressure during sex.
Sex. Okay, but that was just kind of like something dumb. We're getting more into like actual like fashion stuff now. Next up is this. This looks like a mess. Just like me, so it's okay. I'm still gonna love it. Everyone deserves love, even if they're a mess. I don't know how to open this stuff except for like ripping it. Okay, what's in here? There's a bunch of stuff. Forgot about these. So the first thing I got... So the first piece of clothing I got is a pair of socks. It's also from More Joy, and it's socks that say sex. Okay, let's move on. This is getting awkward. The next thing I got is a t-shirt, also from More Joy, and that also says sex. I don't know, I thought it was funny. Honestly, I don't really know how to follow up with this. I'm not like a nymphomaniac or something like that. I just, you know what? In Sweden, this means the number 6. This means 6. So for those of you that are starting to get concerned about my purchases, I can assure you this is the last thing that says sex on it, I promise. Unless they like packed something surprising here, but I'm like 98% sure this is the last thing that says sex. Okay, alright, and then this is from a brand that I don't own anything from there. I've spoken about some of the bags. I wanted to try the clothes because there's something like very like sensual and like carefree and airy and fun about the clothes. But I got this Jacquemus shirt, and it has this like floral pattern, but they're all like hand drawn. This almost looks like it's done in marker, and then the Jacquemus logo is on there. I don't know, I think it's fun because I'm not really one for like too much color. I'm just like owning up to it, like that is just me. But then this has a fun pattern. I do want to get into like more patterns, but just in a way that's kind of more accessible to my style. Also, I have to try it on because this looks big, even though I ordered a small. Oh no, this is a medium. But I'm also like, I normally wear medium slash small, but we'll see. I don't know, and it would be nice for like summer, because summers here are never really like hot, so like I could always wear this like on an evening at the beach or whatever. Oh, also fun thing, their security tag to make sure you don't like wear it out is just like a wristband that says like LNCC security tag. Oh, it's a little big. I don't know. Ooh, what are these things for? I don't know, there's like little tabs. Sleeves are always long on me, so like that's not my issue. Like, to me, that's whatever. I'll just like roll up the sleeves. Ooh, it kind of feels like an art smock or something. And then, like, it is still very stiff because it is, yeah, this is a linen shirt. Oh, it's just 100% linen. Not even any cotton in it. Actually, I kind of like it with this outfit. I don't know why I just like reached for pockets. Like, there's not pockets in this shirt. I mean, it looks big, but it is also oversized. I feel like it actually fits my shoulders well. Like, I like oversized shirts. Especially like when I can wear them open and then like still have like my shape be visible. Because I think it offers like a nice contrast. I do like that it's linen. I love the print. I would even do it with black jeans or gray jeans or something like that. Probably not these pants. Although I think it looks nice. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Now on to the last thing. This thing, I do remember what this is. And this last thing, I am very excited. There was a couple of bags in my wish list that I like talked about how much I loved them. First I saw it on Suffrages, like the British department store. And then I found it on this store. I was like, okay, cool, great, I love it. I actually went to the app because like I'm a sucker for just like any of these like apps that the store makes because they're like, you can get discounts or whatever. And I was like, sure, whatever. I added it to the cart just because I was like, okay, how much would all this stuff cost if I got it? Because like all that other stuff was on sale and this wasn't on sale when I looked on the website. When I added to the app, it's like 55% off. What? My jaw dropped and I immediately was like, okay, what else can I add? Thinking like, what if they see it and they're like, hey, this isn't supposed to be on sale, so we're gonna cancel your order. And then the other part of me was like, okay, so if I get this and then other stuff, then they'll be distracted by other things that are actually on sale and they won't see that it's not supposed to be on sale. Because this bag is actually brand new, at least according to the Suffrages, LNCC, and even the other one just added it to their website, the actual brand. But I'm gonna just open it, yeah? So this bag, oh duh, there's dust bag. So I'm like, oh my gosh, big reveal to nothing. The bag that I got is the published by, they called it the splash bag, but then on the actual published by website, they just call it a bucket bag, so whatever. But yeah, it's a bucket bag and it has this like sculptural base with this like leather, I don't know, pouch, sack, whatever you want to call it. Interesting, okay. So here is just like a little thank you card. That's cute, thanks guys. So they recommend to use just this microfiber cloth to like wipe off your fingerprints because of course you're gonna have fingerprints. This is metal. This is plastic. So this is like Lego plastic. I forget what it's like, ABS. But then this piece and this piece are actually metal. I'm assuming that's because that's where you can put the chain. Okay, and then there's stuffing, and then the base of the bag is weird. I'm gonna show you guys the inside because that is crazy. I love this thing. And then it comes with really nice paper wrapped around a chain. So it comes with one chain handle, and this is more like a shoulder strap. And then you put it on the little doodad. But it also comes with, oh god, this. This basically looks like a chain you could get on Etsy, but then they like engraved publish by on it, which is fine. Like, and the fact that it is a full chain, I think is nice. Oh my god, this is so stupid. I do have to say I thought it was going to be a bit deeper. It's almost thin, but it is nice that it's like curved here, so it'll fit against your body nicely. All these like plaques that are attached to the leather, they seem to be metal. So that's nice. That it feels really secure. Wait, I don't know how to do this. I'm stupid. I'm too stupid for this. There's something about this bag that feels almost like alien egg or something, like otherworldly. So it's a little bit like unsettling, but like I love it. Wait, hold on. Ooh, okay, it smells like a new car. We're good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this bag, especially because I got it for over half price. That's a deal. And I love hearing about from other people or like finding these like small designers, these smaller brands, and like being able to like get something nice for not $2,000, you know? The leather, it feels like it's not a lambskin, but it does have this still like very like supple quality, but it still feels thick. Like I'm not scared of damaging it. That being said, like I don't know how this wear is gonna be, so that'll be a fun like update video. But at the same time, like for me, if it wears, it's fine. Yeah. That's just part of it. It is a little like lopsided when you just like hold it out, but then when you're like wearing it, assuming you also have stuff in it, it'll also hang nicely. Oh, that's why I put these on in a weird order. Again. There we go. Okay. And then yeah, it's also a crossbody. And I love that there's just multiple chains. There's the chrome. Don't mind me, I just yell. I make noises. Okay, so I don't know how cameras work. Apparently, stepping back is just as good as me standing on a chair, so. I don't know, I'm a lover of leather, and I love when there's like a bit of fluidity. I will say like, because there's not like that typical kind of hardware, you kind of have to like fuss around with it a bit so that everything falls nicely, but you know, it doesn't bother me. But yeah, that's how I got a like new collection or new season bag for like a really good price. I'm very satisfied. I love this bag. I hope like some of the close-ups that have probably gone on, like I hope you guys can see like just how cool this bag is. So I have an unboxing. So I got this package from Luisa Villaroma. I bought it. Like, I'm not famous or anything. Like, I bought it, but I got it on sale when Luisa Villaroma also had a coupon code to get like an additional percentage off of sale. But basically, what's in this box was like 50% off. And this is from their like normal collection of stuff that's just always exists there. Like it's not runway. I don't know, I would consider it like a known piece. Like if you know the brand, you know this piece. Should we call it an icon?
She's an icon.
I don't know. You tell me.
She's a legend, and she is the moment.
Okay, alright. I've wasted enough time. Let's dig into it. Confession, I did already open the box so that I could remove like all identifying information. But then it's this kind of box that has this strip on it, which I didn't realize, so I opened it another way. But we can do that together now. Okay, ready? Okay. If you're unfamiliar, Y Project is, I guess it's like the brainchild of Glenn Martins, who's also the creative director of Diesel right now. But one of the reasons why I love Y Project so much is because they do so much with denim, and I'm a huge fan of denim. If you know me, you know that like a good denim piece, especially if it can be like a little structural, I'm so here for it. I love it. Okay. Sorry guys. I got another denim jacket. Surprise, surprise. I love denim jackets. They're like a core part of my wardrobe. I basically wear one like every other day. If I could wear one every day and not have people be like, why do you have so many denim jackets? I would. I mean, honestly, there might be a point where like I get there where I'm like, I'm just gonna wear a denim jacket every day. And people will be like, wow, you wear denim jackets every day. And you know what? I think that's okay. Repetition is an integral part of having a wardrobe and having a signature style and look. But then this is what I got. So I know it just kind of looks like a regular denim jacket. This is called the wire jacket. So the most interesting thing about this jacket is that there's actually an internal wire built in onto each of the sides so that you can actually like shape it, like crinkle it, or even like fold it like up and around, so then you can have a little bit of structure. I know what you're thinking, but I love this piece. I love how structural it is if you want it to be. But I also wanted a piece that was kind of easier to play with as I'm wearing it, so I can almost like change up my look a little bit while I'm wearing it. But also, if I feel like wearing it structural during the day and I have to put a coat on it or something like that, this gets like flattened and then it kind of like fills up my jacket. So like I just feel like kind of squeezed in there. But then with this, I could flatten it out when I need to put a jacket, and then when I'm like ready to start my day, my daily grind, I can like just play with a little, and then it gives that same kind of look. But then I think it's also really fun that they have these vents on the side that you can like open up. Like I could wear it completely open and like almost have like this, like pull that open a little bit while I'm wearing it. Other than that, it is just a denim jacket, but it's also in a nice wash that fills a gap in my wardrobe. I don't really have a jacket that's this wash. This almost like light acid wash. It feels a little 80s. Oh my god. The tags are still in it, so it like feels weird. Okay, so ignore the little like take it off and you can't return it tag. I don't know what it's called. I mean, I'm gonna take it off soon, but like I just wanted to film this really quick. Okay, so this is like the jacket. What do you guys think? I love it. Cause like from the back, it just kind of looks normal. But then like you go to the front, you're like, what the heck is going on? But then I also wanted to show it with it kind of like a slat. Okay, here's the thing. It looks like a normal denim jacket right now, but then like the way it moves, that does not look normal, right? It almost makes it feel like structural, even though it's just like that. And then I wanted to show like, so this is how it is plain, and then like while it's on, you can really like, oh yeah, I'm feeling that. That looks like Christmas ribbon candies. Or you could do something like a little more kooky, a little more like crinkled. Oh yeah. How usable are the pockets? Oh yeah, it's still pretty good. I love this piece. I can imagine myself wearing it many years. It's simple enough to feel like a basic, but interesting enough for me to like want to keep going back to it. I would say that Y Project is probably one of the best places if you want to have something that still is wearable, but has either a bit of like a structural look or a bit of even like an avant-garde kind of feel to some of their stuff. Like it's very like attainable, strange fashion because it's a denim jacket that just happens to have a bit of structure to it. So highly recommend it. Of course, denim is denim, but like it has a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel like too light, and the fit just feels it feels right. Like this is the size 46, which I think they call the small. They do things a little bit oversized. My shoulders match, I think, where I want it to be. Like, I didn't want it any bigger than this. And also, like, I'm short, so, like, I have to cuff the sleeves anyways. But yeah, I love this piece so much. And the fact that I got it for basically, like, I think, like, 50% off, maybe, like, 48% off or something like that. Like, sorry, a win is a win. 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 Alright, so I'm like looking at the floor and it's like a mess. That was my winter sale haul. I think that's all I'm gonna do. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna keep like every single thing, mainly because part of them was a distraction so that I could make sure I get my bag. I know it probably doesn't matter because like, I'm sure like the distribution people got the order, they're like, whatever, and then just shipped it out. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you guys think. Do you also like that bag that I got 55 or something percent off, 54, I don't know, over 50% off, new season. I don't know how it happened. I'm very glad that it did though. I love all the sex stuff. Please do not take this out of context. And then the Jacquemus shirt is still up in the air a bit. I think I'm gonna sit on that for a day or two. But let me know what you guys think. Also, did you get anything fun for winter sale? I love hearing about like really good deals because it's just like, yes, oh my god, let's, I don't know, get things for less money than they originally were. I don't know. That is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time. Woo!